Stearic acid is the primary thickening fatty acid.
Mineral oil forms the emollient base of many skincare products. Sieving removes agglomerates for uniform dispersion.
Subscribe to my channel. Like the video. Now subscribe.
Controlled heating ensures uniform fatty phase melting. Glycerin acts as a humectant to retain skin moisture.
Proper dissolution is key to preventing a grainy texture in the final product. Using a vacuum during mixing prevents oxidation and ensures any trapped air bubbles collapse for a smoother final texture. Gradual cooling improves viscosity stability.
Citric acid solution is dosed through a metering pump. pH control prevents irritation.
Intermediate storage tanks like this one help stabilize the production flow before the cream moves to the tube filling line.
Orientation ensures accurate filling.
Heat sealing prevents leakage and ensures product integrity.
Piston fillers ensure precise volume control. Traceability through batch coding ensures product safety and enables efficient recalls if needed.
The synchronized motion of the automated packaging line prevents product damage as filled tubes are inserted into cartons.
Experience the future of beauty, where precision meets perfection.
Towards. Each carton Paella passes through an inline check weigher, verifying fill accuracy. Underweight units are removed.
Stretch wrap increases load integrity, ensuring palletized goods arrive securely at their destination, minimizing damage and loss during transit. Palletization significantly optimizes warehouse space utilization, enhancing storage capacity and improving overall logistical efficiency for finished goods.
Our stable formulation means cold chain is not required, ensuring efficient distribution.